IT support versus desktop support versus system support engineer, entry-level IT roles explained clearly. Introduction. If you're starting a career in IT, you've probably seen these roles everywhere. IT support, desktop support, system support engineer. They sound similar. They are often treated as the same job. But in reality, they are different roles with different responsibilities and career paths. Many beginners join one role without understanding what they will actually do, and later feel stuck. In this video, I'll clearly explain what each role actually does, day-to-day responsibilities, skills and tools required, career growth paths, and which role is right for you. Let's break it down in simple terms. The big picture difference. Here's the simplest way to understand these roles. IT support is the first point of contact for technical issues. Desktop support handles hands-on hardware and software problems. System support engineer manages servers, systems, and infrastructure. Think of it like a hospital. IT support is the front desk, desktop support is the technician, system support engineer is the specialist doctor. Now let's understand each role in detail. 1. IT support. The first line of help. IT support, often called help desk support, is usually the entry point into IT careers. Their main job is to help users solve basic technical problems. Daily responsibilities include answering support tickets or calls, resetting passwords, fixing basic software issues, providing user guidance, escalating complex problems. They answer questions like, "Why is my email not working? I can't log in, what should I do? How do I install this software?" Common tools and skills. Ticketing systems, basic Windows or macOS knowledge, networking fundamentals, communication skills. This role suits people who are new to IT, like helping others, want structured learning. 2. Desktop support. The hands-on technician. Desktop support is more hands-on and technical than IT support. They work directly with computers, laptops, printers, and peripherals. Responsibilities include installing and configuring operating systems, fixing hardware issues, troubleshooting software problems, supporting office equipment, setting up new employee systems. They ask questions like, "Is this a hardware or software issue? Why is the system slow? Do we need a replacement or repair?" Common tools and skills. Windows and Linux OS hardware troubleshooting, networking basics, remote support tools. This role is ideal for people who like practical work, enjoy fixing systems, want deeper technical exposure. 3. System support engineer. The infrastructure specialist. A system support engineer works on servers, operating systems, and IT infrastructure. This role goes beyond user-level support. Their responsibilities include managing servers and systems, monitoring system performance, applying patches and updates, handling backups and recovery, ensuring system security and uptime. They think about system stability, performance and scalability, security and availability. Common tools and skills. Windows Server or Linux Active Directory virtualization, monitoring tools, basic scripting. This role suits people who want to grow into system administration, like infrastructure work, prefer back-end technical roles. 4. Skills and responsibility comparison. IT support. User support, troubleshooting, communication. Desktop support. Hardware, OS, hands-on fixes. System support engineer. Servers, infrastructure, system reliability. Each role builds on the previous one. 5. Career growth and salary direction. Typical career progression. IT support, right pointing arrow. Desktop support, right pointing arrow. System support engineer, system support engineer, right pointing arrow. System administrator, right pointing arrow. Cloud engineer. In general, IT support offers easy entry. Desktop support offers strong technical grounding. System support roles offer better growth and salary. Your growth depends on skills, not just job titles. 6. Which role should you choose? Choose IT support if you are starting your IT career, want structured, user-focused work. Choose desktop support if you like hands-on technical work, enjoy fixing systems. Choose system support engineer if you want back-end and infrastructure roles. Aim for cloud or system administration. Start small. Grow step by step. Conclusion. Every IT professional starts somewhere. Support roles are not low value, they are foundations of strong IT careers. Choose the role that matches where you are today, and where you want to go tomorrow. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which role you're planning to start with. See you in the next video.